Hi everyone, and welcome back to Sketch Lab for Kids. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to draw and paint a kawaii-style bear holding a heart. Perfect for beginners and super fun to create. We'll be using acrylic paint on canvas and Posca markers to bring this adorable design to life step by step. Well, let's grab your brushes and let's get started. So if you wanted to pencil in this drawing first, you would want to identify the basic shapes here. So you see a circle for the head and the bear is holding a heart. So as you know, we can establish a shape first, and then we can change its outline. So once you sketch in the shape of the head, then you're going to want to go ahead and let's start drawing these lines here for the hair. And we're going to start curving these lines on the right hand side to the right, creating the fur texture. Okay, we're going to start the ears, so you can see we have these lines that curve up. And another line that curves up. And the same thing on the other side. Okay, we're going to work on the paws. So you can see it's an oval shape. We're going to draw some lines that curve down to create the fur texture. We have another oval for the left foot. And you can see for the shape of the paws, they're going to be ovals as well. We'll have these three little lines on the paws. So on this side, we're going to have that line that curves right to the right for the arm. And that oval shape for the paw. Go ahead and add those three lines in. Okay, so we're going to outline the heart now that the bear's holding. So you can see we're drawing with basic shapes today. We're also going to work the heart design into the pads on the bear's feet. And the same thing on the paw on the left. The nose looks like a rounded triangle. Then two lines that curve up for the mouth. You have the oval for the eyebrows. Now we're doing a big circle for the eyes. Adding some eyelashes. And now we're going to do two white dots inside of the eye. One is larger, one smaller. For my color mix, I'm using 1 part violet to 1 part ultramarine blue. And I'm mixing a tint. So I'm making a very light base color. So 10 parts white to 1 part of our color mix. And today we're going to use 3 values. So we're going to start off with this lighter value first. And then we'll add a little bit more of the purple mix into it, and then a little bit more to create the medium value and the dark value. So I'm using this paintbrush. When I go around my edges, I'm using what's called hard edge brushwork. So that means I keep the brush down on the canvas and I draw a line with my paintbrush. So I'm going around edges. I don't want to keep lifting up, and lifting up my paintbrush. I want to keep it down on the canvas. So here I am going in with a little bit darker value. And whenever you use 3 values, you can see we're creating depth and dimension. We're making our artwork appear to be more 3-dimensional. Adding in some highlights. This is 1 part of the primary magenta to 5 parts white. And then I'm going to mix more white into the mix. And you can see you can mix right onto the canvas. Now I'm going to start to kind of blend those values on the heart. Add a little bit more value into the ears, the lighter value. Adding some darker values into the paws. See, going back over the highlights. And now I'm going with Posca paint marker for the eyes. I'm basically using white, light purple, dark purple, and then black. And now going in, refreshing the outline. I'm going to do a double outline today. So I'm going to outline it with violet, and then I'm going to outline it with white. And the Posca paint markers are great for outlining. It's way easier to outline with the marker than it is with the paintbrush. Obviously, you don't have to keep reloading them. And there you have it, your super cute kawaii bear holding a heart. In this tutorial, learn how to draw using basic shapes. We obviously learned we can change the outline of those shapes with the fur texture. And obviously we use 3 values using paint. Adding white to create a tint, and then adding a little bit more of our color into that to darken up our values. Make sure you check out my other kawaii style tutorials for even more fun and creative ideas. We'll see you next time. Happy painting.